Meaning of euphony.
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 Euphony. Euphony is a noun that refers to the quality of being pleasing to the ear, especially through a harmonious combination of words or sounds. It describes something that is pleasant or melodious to listen to, and can be used to refer to various forms of auditory experiences, such as music, poetry, or speech. Euphony can create a sense of relaxation, calmness, or enjoyment in the listener, and is often used in creative writing to enhance the emotional impact of the text. In sum, euphony is the pleasing result of a harmonious combination of sounds or words.